Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the medium format look. To achieve this, understand that larger sensors or film, typically measuring around 53 by 40 millimeters, are key. This increased surface area captures more light, delivering superior dynamic range and incredibly smooth tonal gradations. This inherent quality also contributes to a naturally shallower depth of field, making your subject stand out with a beautiful, three-dimensional pop. To truly isolate your subject, prioritize using wide apertures, such as f/2.8 or f/4. These settings create a very shallow depth of field, blurring the background beautifully. Combine this with a longer focal length lens, perhaps 85 millimeters or 135 millimeters, which compresses the scene and further separates your subject. Ensure ample distance, ideally several feet, between your subject and the background for maximum effect. The choice of lens is paramount. Opt for high-quality prime lenses, often with a maximum aperture of f/1.4 or f/1.8, known for their exceptional sharpness and beautiful rendering. Lenses with 9 or more aperture blades will produce a smoother, more pleasing bokeh. These superior optics also deliver excellent micro-contrast and accurate color, which are vital for that distinctive medium format, pop, and clarity. Thoughtful composition is essential. Isolate your subject clearly using leading lines or natural framing. Harness natural light to sculpt your subject and enhance depth, creating a more three-dimensional feel. In post-processing, apply subtle adjustments to color grading, contrast, and clarity. The goal is refinement, not transformation, maintaining a natural and clean aesthetic that complements the inherent qualities of the medium format look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.